To make an Oculus app, you need to start by setting up your development environment. This includes installing Unity or Unreal Engine, as these are the two main game engines supported by Oculus. Once you have your engine installed, you need to download and install the Oculus integration package, which provides the necessary tools and features to create Oculus apps. Next, you need to create a new project in your chosen engine and set up the Oculus settings. This includes configuring the Oculus device, setting up the scene, and adding Oculus-specific components such as the Oculus camera rig. You also need to set up the input system, which allows users to interact with your app using Oculus controllers or other input devices. After setting up the basics, you can start building your app by adding 3D models, textures, and other visual elements. You can also add audio and special effects to enhance the user experience. To make your app interactive, you can add scripts and logic to handle user input and respond to different events. When it comes to testing and debugging your app, you can use the Oculus Debug tool to test your app on a variety of devices and configurations. This tool allows you to simulate different scenarios and test your app's performance, which helps you identify and fix any issues. Finally, to publish your app, you need to package it and submit it to the Oculus Store. This involves creating a store listing, setting a price, and providing screenshots and other marketing materials. You also need to comply with Oculus's content guidelines and review process, which ensures that your app meets the necessary standards for quality and safety. Throughout the development process, it's essential to follow best practices such as optimizing performance, using high-quality assets, and providing a user-friendly interface. By following these steps and guidelines, you can create a high-quality Oculus app that provides an engaging and immersive experience for users.